Hello, my name is David Washira Nganga and I am the school president here at Tumaini Innovation Center and I do food and beverage production. And today, I have good news for you all. Are you hungry for success? Do you want to make a difference in your life? Tumaini is just a place for you. Tumaini offers courses such as Welding Fabrication, Motor Vehicle Mechanics, Electrical Wireman, Beauty and Hairdressing, and Food and Beverage Production. This institution is based on rescue, reintegration, resocialization, and rehabilitation. Nurturing youths with innovative skills for a better tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Come, join us and make the most out of life. You can visit our social media handles or come visit us here in Eldoret, Kapsoya along Elgeyo Road. Jenga vijana.